Of all the meals I make for guests, my chicken pot pie is the most requested. It's versatile, and it's a great way to clean out the aging vegetables in your fridge. This recipe uses onions, carrots, and cilantro, but I've made it with mushrooms and onions, sweet hot peppers and carrots, and even cabbage. Warning, if you don't use the McCormick's gluten-free chicken gravy, it will be very dry. Also, don't thaw the wholly wholesome pie crust. Just fill the bottom one with your ingredients, then turn the top crust over and it should just plop down out of the tin. Just let it sit there. As it cooks, it will fit together. Refrigerate the leftovers and it will be just as good reheated on the next day. Feel free to experiment with this wonderful recipe.